Hola amigos, I am so happy you are here. I thank God for another beautiful day. Today I am decorating our home with the beautiful earthy colors of autumn. I am starting here in our living room. I have this wicker vase that I thrifted. I put a brown ribbon and added some stems with leaves and acorns. I recently purchased this throw from Kirkland's for $6, and this pillow is also from Kirkland's as well as this one from last year. This throw is also from Kirkland's. I paid only $6. I love the rich color of chocolate, and it goes perfectly well with the rest of the furniture. For the past years, I've been decorating with a lot of pumpkins and orange colors. This year, I will be using more of my favorite color, which is brown. And I'm also using acorns, leaves, and pears. I thrifted this brown vase a while ago. I just put some stems from Hobby Lobby. This wood bowl was also thrifted, and I added 3 acorns from Michael's, and this cute chipmunk was from Joann's. This basket was also thrifted. I added raffia and 5 brown pears that were thrifted. And this cute round basket or box was also thrifted a while ago. Moving to our bar table, I recently bought this amber glass bowl from Kohl's, and I just put my collection of acorns that are from different stores like Joann's, Michael's, Kohl's, and the one on the top with glitter was thrifted a while ago. I love these beaded placemats that are from Kohl's. For the final touch, I am placing these 2 brown pillows. Here on this side table, I am placing a brown book that was thrifted. This little chipmunk, it's a candle from Target, and a set of wood coasters that were thrifted. Here in the kitchen, I already have that hatch, which is our coffee station decorated for fall. Here is a view of our dining table, which is already decorated. This is the last part of the decorating process, and then I will show you the home tour. I have this container from Williams Sonoma that I thrifted. I will be using it as a utensil holder. I love the brown color and the pumpkins in different colors. This pot was also thrifted, and I love the top color that pairs well with the skin colors of our kitchen. And I love the brown color that matches my top. I will place my molinillos here in my seasonal spatulas. I love the design of this napkin. It's the theme for my decor this year, leaves and acorns. I found this one at World Market recently. And our butter dish from Kohl's a few years ago. I love these salt and pepper shakers that I forgot I got them a few years ago. And today they are getting out of the box for the first time.